Across Kenya, ecosystems are under pressure. But at the Centre for Ecosystem Restoration, we see every degraded landscape as an opportunity. We're reversing the degradation through action-oriented research, improved access to quality resources, and best practice restoration. We do this through working with communities and through partnerships.
Restoration begins with knowledge, and that's why we have invested in research that transforms data into action.
We are banking on biodiversity. Our forests hold native species that are disappearing at an alarming rate. Yet each one of those plays a critical role in its unique niche.
From seeds to sapling to forests, our work is rooted in precision, care and collaboration.
We ensure quality in every step of our project implementation phase, demonstrating restoration best practices. Restoration is not a one-way effort. It is a shared journey. And this is to thank all our partners who have been instrumental in ensuring that our shared objectives are achieved. We can't thank you enough. And this includes local community. We work with them.
At the Centre for Ecosystem Restoration Kenya, we're co-creating models for restoration with the communities that build functionality, diversity and resilience back into the landscape.
Let's do this together.
For people,
for planet,
for today and for tomorrow.